What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time, it's been a week since I haven't filmed a video, so I am back here at the mechanic shop. And as you know, as you have seen the title, the leaking curse is still on me. The car is still leaking, the power steering oil is still leaking, and I'm not happy about it, but I cannot do anything about it because there are few things which are not good about it. And the gears are also not the best. This is irritating. So gears are also not the best. They are also getting stuck while I'm downshifting. Second and first gear get stuck a lot while I'm downshifting. So if you know what's happening, just comment down below, because I would really like to know what's happening, because I'm not able to figure it out. So the other thing is, my battery wasn't working properly, so I got it charged. It was in the warranty, so I got it charged, and now it is working perfectly fine. And as you can see from here, at the last you'll be able to see there is red droplets of the oil. So that's the place where it is leaking from, and I'm not happy with that, so I have to get that fixed. So let's see if they'll be able to fix it or not. Let's just see that, and I hope it is gonna get fixed and it will be alright. Like, you will be able to see there, just right there, it is leaking from there. I think it is not visible properly, but now you'll be able to see it properly. Yeah, that's the place where it is leaking from, so we have to get that fixed, and I hope it will be done soon. It's not gonna take that long. So let's just see. So you can see it in here, they have removed the wheel, and you can see it is leaking from right there. There is the point where it is leaking from, and all of the oil is just dripping here. And it was taking like not a long time, it was just happening in split seconds. So this is happening vigorously, and I have lost a lot of oil here. And you can see there is a lot of buildup, like there's a lot of oil, and it has splashed over till here, so it is dirty a lot. So I have to get that clean too. So I hope they're just gonna tighten this up, and it will be easier for them to do it. I hope it is gonna be easy. I know it is gonna be easy. It is not gonna be that difficult, and it is gonna be fixed, and it won't leak anymore, because I am just done with this shit. Like, this have happened a lot, and I'm not happy with it, so I don't want this leak to be there anymore. So I hope it is gonna get fixed, and I'll be happy with it. So let's see. I am gonna test it out after getting it fixed. So I'm gonna show you the process when he's gonna fix it, so that if you have a leak, and if it is leaking just behind your subframe, then you know your boot is not proper or some clamp is loose, so you'll know how to do it. So I'm gonna show you that. So right now we are just checking it if it is leaking anymore or not. He has just tightened the clamp, and if it is gonna leak, we are just checking it by turning it over and over to both of the sides. And if it is gonna leak, it is gonna drip there where it was dripping, and now I think it is clean and it is not dripping anymore. So let's just see. Let's just hope it's not gonna leak anymore, because I am just done with this thing, because power steering pump is just not a fun thing to deal with. Like in this car, 8-7 Civic, it is just the worst nightmare that can happen to you, so you don't want that to happen. And if it is leaking, just get it fixed and get everything replaced, almost everything, because I got the power steering pump fixed, I got these boosts replaced, I got the lines replaced, everything was replaced, and it wasn't cheap, but you have to get it fixed if you want your car to be proper. So I think it is not leaking anymore, which is good, and I'm gonna tell them to clean everything. And you can see the calipers are pretty big. I want to replace them with Brembo calipers, but I don't think if I'll be able to do it right now. But they are also working properly, so I don't have any problems with them. But the main thing is I don't want the leak anymore, and I hope it is gonna be fine this time. So they have tightened up the clamp, and it is not leaking anymore. You can see they have also cleaned it, and there is no oil on my subframe anymore. So right now they are just tightening up the master cylinder of my clutch, because it wasn't working properly, and my gears were getting stuck when I was shifting them from first gear to second, and when I was mostly downshifting from third to second. it was getting stuck and it was not easy to downshift. So right now they are just changing it and they are just tightening it up, and I hope it is going to be better than before, and it is not going to get stuck like it was getting before, and I'll be able to drive way more smoother than before. So let's see what's going to happen at the end. I'm just filming it and I'm going to show you what's going to happen and what is the after product. So now they are bleeding the clutch, and that is the master cylinder for the clutch, and they are bleeding it because they wanted to get all of the air out of the clutch. That's why they are bleeding it, and I hope it is going to be better after this. So let's see. So guys, finally everything is done and everything is working properly on my car, and I don't have any problem with this car anymore. I hope it is not leaking anymore and I won't have that issue anymore. So it was from my car. I haven't told you this, that it was leaking from here a little bit. When it rained a lot, then it was leaking from here, but I got that fixed. The rain visor have been removed. He have to remove the rain visor to fix that, but I am gonna get them back on this car. But now it is not gonna leak anymore, which is I'm happy about, and I won't have any issues with this car. So I'm pretty happy with it and I don't have to deal with that anymore. So I am gonna end this video after some time when I'm gonna go back to my house. So guys, now I'm going back to my house and I'm at the red light, so I'm ending this video. I hope you got something, because there was only one clamp which was leaking, and I told you if you have a power steering leak what you have to do and what you need to get fixed. Most of the time I have seen this, there was a small leak and I have to get everything fixed, every single thing related to power steering, and it was just like a nightmare, and I don't want you to suffer from this. So get everything fixed, because I know it is going to be expensive, but you have to do that if you own this 8th Gen Civic. I'm pretty happy with this car. Let's see what's ahead, but I'm pretty happy with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, because you know that helps me a lot. Thank you guys. Peace out.